Hi, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to play Bad Moon Rising by CCR, otherwise known as Creedence Clearwater Revival. We're tuned to G, big string is G, middle string is D, high string is high G. This forms a G chord. Technically a G5 chord, which means you can play along with a minor or a major chord. Because it's a beginner video, I'll just run through how the chords work. After G comes G sharp, second fret is A, third fret is A sharp, fourth fret is B, fifth fret is C. You notice there's no sharp between B and C. That's kind of important when you're looking for your chords. Then sixth fret is C sharp, seventh fret is D, 8, D sharp, 9 is E, 10 is F. Once again, we're not using an E sharp note, we just go from E to F. 11 is F sharp. Now 12, it repeats to G again. I'm using a glass slide. You can use any kind of slide you want. I'm using on my second finger today, but I'm muting behind it with my first finger. Because you want the notes to come from this side, not from here. That'll sort of ring through if you lift your finger up. Occasionally that could be useful, but generally speaking, not so much. So I'll play the verse of Bad Moon Rising for you. Now you'll notice there's a bit of a rhythm to it. And a bit of muting is involved too, not just behind the slide, but with the right hand. You'll notice I mute every once in a while here. So if you can count while you're playing it, that would be really handy. That would make it very easy, because what it is, it's downstrokes, 2 downstrokes. So it'd be 1, 2, 3 is silent, and then it's up 4 or and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how that works? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And then we go down to A. And what we do when we're there is we just play the low side A and then the high side of A, like the bottom 2 strings and the top 2 strings. Right? And then that's G, same thing, bottom 2 strings, high 2 strings. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the rhythm at the last D, when you come back to D, changes just a little bit. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. You fill it in a little bit more. And they aren't really precise about this all the way through. This is just an approximation. I mean, they do it this way, and then they sort of vary it. So don't, worry about it too much. So I'm going to play it slow and count it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Speed it up. Okay, that's 90% of the song. Then we have the chorus. The chorus is goes to G. Don't go around tonight. This is where you might want to mute if your guitar's ringing or starting to feedback or anything. And then it goes to D. And then just before you go to A, you throw that little up down in. Then you go to A, G, D. So I'll go from the verse into the chorus. All right, so there should be a tab down here somewhere that'll illustrate all that for you, and that's the easiest way to play it. If you want to try the lick that's in there, it's a little bit more advanced. You use basically the same rhythm, and you go over here. I'll put this in the tab too. You go 2, 4. That's another way to play a D chord. And then you put this lick in, which is 3, 4 on the middle string. 2, 4 on the high string. to make it fit in with the timing of the song, you got to be fairly quick, as it has to fit on top of that and forehand sort of sound. Anyway, have fun with that. Bye.